Paano mo ano ha?
Ready, right back. No, another Grahams. That's the last bag of Grahams.
Diba? Toppings.
For the toppings.
Dapat
In Christmas, let's buy more Grahams.
Mabait tayo.
Including the crackers one.
Tapos, okay, and then,
The freezer.
no, mango pa.
More mango.
Yan, that is a toppings.
Here are the mangoes.
Yeah.
I put it.
Wait! Ay, shoes. Okay. And then, dami. Electric fan, para maglamig na. Lumulubog. Dapat pa konti-konti para kalat, no?
Ayan.
Ayan. Yummy dessert.
Yes.
Mamaya, okay na. Or maybe tomorrow. Tomorrow or mamaya? Ano, kailan?
Maybe for night.
My hours, 4 hours. Oh, what time na?
Is 4:01.
Oh, 4 hours. So, anong oras natin i-dessert?
It's 8. Also 4 hours.
Okay? Tapos, papalamigin muna, tapos ilagay na natin sa ref. Kaya dapat, malamig na para
Yummy.
yummy na. Yes. Yummy. Isa, Pasko magawa tayo nito. Ano na? Para yummy. Okay. Okay.
Alright.
Done.
That's the mango cake.
It's a mango cake.
Now, put again to the freezer for 4 hours.
Plastic pa natin. Bantayin mo muna. Tama po ang plastic na i-cover natin.
Alright.
Huwag mong galawin.
I'll just move a little.
Oo. Huwag mong gagalawin. Perfect na yan.
Yes.
Okay ha? Wait. Wait a minute.
Alright, that's the mango cake. Here. Wow, that cake is already done. Before Christmas, we can make another one. And make it even yummier. Here.
Picture mo. Yung picture naman muna. Huwag na muna picture.
Right.
Hey, tabi mo to. Dito, sa harap. Hindi. Yan mismo para walang nasagabal yung mga ano niya.
Okay.
Dito. Bakit dito?
Alright.